There are too many products are there, so of course the customer want to catch very fastly. So the branding is differentiating your company product. So that's what the branding is very important. So just now you got more clarity about the branding. In the packaging only we are trying to give a brand, okay? Because each and every product, when it is having a life cycle, sometimes the electronic goods, what will happen? So after purchasing, some technical issues are faced by the consumers. So at the time they are trying to contact for the technical team. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the Unit 3, Session 2, first semester BCom Principles of Marketing. The chapter name is Product and Pricing. And today my agenda, so you will get more clarity about the brand meaning and definitions, and the importance of brand, why it is very important for any product, and the packaging, related features of packaging, and the labeling meaning, and you will get more clarity about the importance of labeling, why it is very important. And the next one, the product support service. Okay, so last concept which is related to the scope of products support survey. Moving forward, the first one, the brand. So any product, if you are trying to either the brand which is related to the company, whatever they are offering a product, so of course you as a company, they want to create a brand. Your brand can be a identity, your brand can be a symbol. Okay, so easily the customer can recognize because of branding. So meaning the branding is a strategic marketing practice that involve creating unique, okay, that means what, when you are offering a product, there is a substitute competitors are offering a similar product, so easily branded product will be recognized by the customer. Okay, so it is something unique and memorable identity for product or service, okay, or company, because it will create the company image or reputation because of branding. So overall, when we are talking related to physical product or intangible service, okay, so it goes behind just logo and name or combinations or symbol. Okay, so the texture factor, so customer seeing the brand, it is very easily they can keep their mind. So emphasize the overall perception and reputation associated with that identity. So the brand is very important. Any either the product newly arriving, so as a company are taking steps to go for creating a brand. Okay, sometimes the existing product again they are trying to go for rebranding. So again, because the customers want to purchase, right? That's it. So till then it is a meaning. And the definition, branding can be defined as a process of defining or designing or managing the elements that distinguish the product or service organization from the competitor in the mind of customer. Because there are million of product, whenever the businessman are offering a million of product for the customer use, either which is related to product or service. Okay, so the physical product, you need to compete with your competitor. Of course, the brand is very important. Moving forward, so the importance of branding, why it is very important? Because the first one, differentiations. Okay, so easily your competitor, when you're offering a product, you can differentiate product just going for studying the concept like a competitor, what they're offering similar product. So it is a crowded marketplace, because in the crowded marketplace, there are too many products are there. So of course, the customer want to catch very fastly. So the branding is differentiating your company product. So branding help business differentiate them from the competitor. So the similar product maybe you can expect, you can get from the competitor. So easily the brand is going for differentiating. Second one, trust and credibility. So it is very important. As a customer, they want to accept, they want to give a importance for the product, whichever the company are offering a product. So the trust, the belief. Okay. So the strong brand build a trust and credibility with the customer, because the customers can recognize at the time of going purchasing a product. So easily they can recognize, okay, because they believed. Leading the repeat business and referral. Okay, so the same product, whenever they are purchasing, if they are satisfied, the customers are satisfied, next time they are trying to go and purchase the same product, and even they are trying to refer a few customers. Okay, and perceived value, it is completely customer perceived value. A well-branded product or service is often perceived higher in quality and value. If there are local brand as well as branded product, so the customers, when they are giving a priority for quality, so easily the brand is going for the just for perceived value can be creating here. And the next one, customer loyalty. If the customers are repeatedly purchasing the product, of course we can treat as we can retain in our company business product. Brand with a positive image often enjoy great customer loyalty because the customers are again and again they are purchasing, then they in company they call customer is a loyal. So reducing churns and increasing the customer lifetime value. Of course, the brand is giving a which is surviving for the long period for the business. Okay. So next one, competitive advantages. So here, if you have a good brand of the product, so easily you can compete with your competitors. So the customer can recognize your product with the help of brand. So effective branding can give a company competitive advantages, allow it to charge a premium price and maintain market share. So the most of the product are going for branding. So of course the branding strategy is very, very important. The company at the time of launching a product, so they want to create awareness about the brand. Moving forward, so you will get more clarity about the packaging because there are too many product according to customer expectation or the customer giving a priority about the packaging it is giving protecting for the product. Okay, so the packaging refers to the process of designing and creating and enclosing product and goods in the competitive functions and visibility. Okay, so the product, whatever it is, complete the design part, something unique packaging when you are trying to compare with your competitors, so which is one kind of protection which is giving more information about the product usage. Okay, so in the functional visible appeal manner for storage. Okay, because producing a product, it's very important when they're producing a product, after the producing the product, so they want to go for packing properly. Okay, and at the time of storage and the distribution or sales or usage, the packaging will taking care very important role here. And it involve use of material design and technology to ensure that the product safety transported, because the flow of product from the producer to end consumption, so the packaging will take care. Okay, so preserve and present to the customer, because the customers are nowadays giving importance for the packaging. So obviously the definition, packaging can define the art and science of the preparing a product for the distribution and use of enclosing the container, because which is nothing but here what it is one kind of art. Business to business, their packaging system is something different. So obviously you need to attract your customers, very important. And at the time of distribution, the packaging is playing an important role. And container, you're using container or wrappers or other protective material. Okay, if you take example Tetra Pak or bottles. Okay, so with the help of, there are too many packaging available, even the paper packing also it's available. So it emphasizes the design and protection and application for packing material and method of specific goals such as product protection and branding and consumer convenience, because the packaging product will protect the product not only for protecting, even they can use for reuse, they can store properly. Okay, so which is completely, the packaging is very important. Moving forward, the certain features of the packaging. The first one, protection, because every physical product can be properly packed, means so protections will be getting. Packaging serve as a shield against the physical damage and moisture, light and contaminations, ensuring that the product can consumer to optimum condition, because the consumers are always expecting a product a good condition. So obviously after purchasing the product, so if it is a packing system is good, so they can keep for certain period. Okay, so next one, the branding. It play a crucial role in branding and marketing, conveying the product identity, message and value through the visual design and labeling and graphic. So that's what the branding is very important. So just now you got a more clarity about the branding. In the packaging only we are trying to give a brand. Okay, so which type of product which is. Next, convenience. Packaging often include features that make it is very easy to customers to open. So sometime they clearly specified in the instruction how to operate, how to use, how to open the box. So that is actually the convenience. Easily they can carry because of and use and store product. Okay, next fourth one, information. So about the product ingredients or usage part, what precaution actions consumers want to take, okay, when at the time of opening a packaging. So label and packaging often provide essential product information such as ingredients, nutrition factor, usage structure, and safety warning. So these are the informations are printed in the packaging. And next, sustainability. Of course, we are standing in the modern marketing, so we need to run our business for long period. We need to compete with your competitors, so there is a sustainability. Modern packaging design also emphasize eco-friendly materials and practice to reduce the environmental impact. So there are, because every businessman having a responsibility to protect the environmental. So just if you take example, the plastic is completely replaced with the paper bag or jute bag. Okay. So next one, cost efficiency. Of course, the packaging, when the company are giving priority, so the packing cost also very important. And efficient packaging design can reduce the material waste. Of course, we can material usage, material waste we can reduce here. And the transportation cost and the proper product, we are offering a standardized product. The standard packing is done, so easily we can manage the space and the storage space of requirement. So storing is very easily the container, either the 10 box or 1 dozen. Okay, so moving forward, the meaning of labeling, because any product we can identify brand, brand or labeling or packing. So with the help of labeling, so the label is nothing but your complete information about the product. Okay, so how to use label. Various context refer to the act of attaining the descriptive information. Okay, which is giving a descriptive information about the product, either just ingredients or use, precaution or rate, MRP, tax, everything it is printed here. And tag to the objective. So the objective is nothing but your product, the product tag, and the data and individual to categorize identity and provide a context, because there are different category of product or premier quality, high quality, grade wise you are offering, or standardized we are offering. So the information the customer want to get. Okay, it is a process of assigning names and attributes and symbols to our item, facilitate organization and communication analysis. If the labeling is very transparent, the customers can get more clarity about what exactly is there, what ingredients, what new vitamins contain. Okay, so everything about the definition. Labeling can be defined as the practice of associating the specific characteristic. So the specific information we are giving in the labeling with the help of labeling, symbol, name with objective, data, individual, okay, convenience information or convey meaning. Okay, that means you are giving information for the customers. Okay. Next one, in psychology, labeling can refers to the categorization of people based on their perceived characteristic of behavior. So after going supermarket or big bazaar, when they are trying to read more information about the product, so they can decide their behavior may be influencing here. Next one, importance of labeling. Why it is very important? So each and every product, when you are purchasing branded product, or okay, so the label what we are finding, information we are finding. So the importance, so one is organization. Properly we are organizing, we are giving a standard instruction. Okay, labeling help to organization and structuring data, making it easier to manage and retrieve. So sometimes the technical informations can be printed, or sometimes most of the information guideline, customer care. So it's organizing properly, it's very important data. And the communication, we are trying to communicate informal way. So just for printing a labeling, it facilitates effective communication by conveying information, okay, sufficiently. So that means we are spreading the message using the concept like labeling. So at the time of purchasing a product, the customer can read, okay, so which is using a different language when the product related to which exact locations we are offering. Most of the time the labeling is in English only. So the data analysis, easily we can analyze the data. What is the customers, they are see the price, the customers see the ingredients. Okay, so in data science, labeling is essential for supervising the machine learning task. Okay, which is completely machine learning task, where label data is used to the train algorithm. So with the help of algorithm, they are trying to generate a labeling. And next one, identification. So labeling is a crucial in field like healthcare, where it is help identify patients and medications and medical record. So the prescription what we are finding, the same thing, same way we are finding the identification. And the customer information, which is directly focusing, always focusing for the customers only. So that's what which is providing for customer information. So customer information, the product label provide a consumers with the essential information about the ingredients, usage and safety. Last one, safety and compliance. So which is the labeling, if it is there, so they can refer expiry date or manufacturing date, what ingredients, how much they want to consume, how you can store, so all the safety precaution. Labeling is crucial for essential product safety and regulatory compliance to in the various industry. So it is very important. Any businessman offering a product with the help of packaging, label is completely important. So for according to the standard food safety, we need to take, as a businessman, they want to take the responsibility about the labeling. So next you will get more clarity about the product support service. So whenever you are offering a product, some support are expected. Okay, so your product support service means actually maybe it can be a after sales service. Okay, so it is refers to the range of assistance and resource provided by the company and its customer after they have purchased a product. So after purchasing the product, something, if the technical product means they want more clarity, the technicians, okay, so the installations, okay, the procedures will be after sales survey. The service are designed to ensure the customer have positive and satisfy the experience with the product through its life cycle, because each and every product, when it is having a life cycle, sometimes the electronic goods, what will happen, so after purchasing, some technical issues are faced by the consumers. So at the time they are trying to contact for the technical team. So here the point wise breakdown of the meaning and definition, features and importance and the scope of product service. There are different features we are finding in the product. Okay, so each and every product it is unique. Next one, under definition, the product support service emphasizes all the activity, resource and assistance provided by the company to the after service. This service are aimed to help the customer to use the and troubleshoot issues and maintain and upgrade the needed. So there are related software related product version. Okay, so there is a lot of technical support are required. So at the time of updating, so which is giving a self instruction are given. Okay, next the scope of product support service. What is very important scope here? The first one, pre-sale support. Pre-sales, before going for selling the product to the customers, what is and support is expected by the customer. Okay, so this include information and demo and consultants to help the customer to inform purchasing decision. So they are not purchasing, before that they want more clarity about the product operation and usage, or demonstration is required, demo is required about the product. Okay, so next one, installation and setup. It's very important, right? So in case of electronic machinery, so machinery also it is a product. So guidance to the product installation and initial setup, which is company are providing in a facility. Okay, so the customers are getting a installation support and setup. The technical troubleshooting, because continuously when the product are going for usage, some issues which is related to antivirus. Okay, so the updating issue are not working properly, so that time the troubleshoot. Okay, so the assist with the technical issue and the error message and software enlightening. So these are the major problem we are facing. That's why the technical product service support is very important. Next one, product upgradation and update. Okay, so the timely, if you are not updating the version, so it is very difficult to use. So that's what, providing access to the new features and improvement. If the company are developing new features, means they are giving a benefit to the or facility to the updating customers, okay, themselves, or sometimes the company using the technical team, they are trying to go for updating. Okay, so next one, fifth point, maintenance contract is very important, because any product you are offering, either which is a maintenance related product, offering maintenance plan for ongoing support and service. So if, for example, the four-wheeler segment, the showroom are providing a 3 free service, okay, or 10,000 you have to go for replace the oil. So these are the support is you are expecting from the company. So knowledge base and frequently asking questions. So knowledge which is related to operation. Okay, so either you're going to how to operate, how to install, how to get a solution. So providing online resource for the self-help, frequently asking questions. So there are few questions as soon as if you're going for clicking support in the icon, so you are getting a frequently asking question which is already framed. Okay, so if you try to click so easily, which will give you the solution. So that is a product support. And the remote monitoring. So even the company, your customers are located in the different area. So the company are giving access like any desk. So they can view what customers are facing problem. So sitting in the head office or any customer care service center only. Some company offer remote monitoring service to the proactive detect and address issues. Okay, so in that case, technical person are not going in the customer home. So the customer are giving access. Okay, the customer using a remote monitoring. So the customer care, the technical people are giving a best solution. Next one, customer feedback is very important. So that based on the customer feedback only, the company can go for taking a proper decisions or something modification are done. Okay. Gathering customer feedback into improve product and service. So in case of the positive feedback, it will go for developing a new future. If it is negative feedback, the customer are not satisfied. So that's what the company can find what customers are facing problem. Okay, easily. Keep on watch for next section. Thank you.